Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls. I'm going to unbox. These are the new Soundpeats C30. These retail for about 55 bucks on Amazon that I can see. And yeah, they got, standard sort of earbuds. We'll check these out. So they say, what do they got? Playtime is about 10 hours. With the case, about 52 hours. So you can pop them back in, charge them back up for 4 times it looks like. So yeah, let's take a look. Let's see how this works. Now the trick is going to be, how do I turn this on and not have it try to connect to my device immediately I'm recording this, because I've had that happen a few times. Boom. Okay. Okay, zoom out a little. There we go. Okay, so we got anything to just kind of work your fingernails into it. I'm not there. Oh, it's got noise cancellation. That's pretty cool. Okay, so not much in the box. We've got some extra silicone sort of connectors. Looks like we got some USB cord. Okay, we've got that piece of plastic. We've got this set of headphones. Let's see. It's very much like the OnePlus Pros, with the texture on the outside, a fake-ish, plastic leatherish look to it. But it's got a nice little design. It's got a USB port, so that does mean it's not going to charge wirelessly. Will it charge wirelessly? No, not charging wirelessly. Right, because if I plug it in, right there's the green light showing it's charging. If I put it on the wireless charging pad here, lights on, not charging. What about the other side, upside down? Doesn't seem to, so no wireless charging. Maybe, for 55 bucks, what do you expect? And let's take a look. Also, it's got a manual in here, but I'm pretty sure the manual is going to be pretty dud. Who really reads manuals and these things? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's colorful. All right, we got Pete's audio app. I don't like Bluetooth stuff. I have to put a new. Oh, we got, these are stickers. They're stickers. They gave you stickers to put on this. That's new. Okay. Yeah. Connected to Bluetooth. Simple. Okay. Well, I'll do a bit of a reviewing. I'll let you know what I think. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Thanks.